It's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, join the squad, and let's get into this video. So I kind of got suckered into the whole Instagram ad thing, and I saw those fabulous ponytails. Obviously, Ariana Grande and a bunch of other people are rocking them right now, and yes, I have extremely long hair, but when I put it up in a ponytail, it's not that ridiculous, like, fabulous ponytail. I decided to order one. I wanted to see if it blended in and worked with someone that has already long hair but wanted to add inches. So instead of waiting for the Instagram companies, and who knows if those companies are even actually real and if they're gonna send you the product in a timely manner. So obviously I just went to Amazon, shopped around, looked at the reviews, and I found a $15 ponytail, 28 inches. Alexa, if you're watching this, you keep texting me. I'm gonna put you on silent. And yes, it is 12:30 at night and she is texting me. Best friends, that's what you're for. And of course I'm full hair and makeup at 12:30 at night. Shut up. Filming this video. Okay, so I opened it up and we have the little pouch. It is the Seikea, S-E-I-K-E-A, Seikea ponytail. And it's really cute. It comes with a little instruction manual. It comes with a little spray bottle. That's really awesome. You can like spray down the little flyaways. And ooh! Okay, these are my favorite hair bands. I will link these below because like these are the best things to ever happen to me, is these kind of thick hair bands, and they give you one that's not gonna bust on you. They give you a couple, I think like 3, 4 bobby pins, so that is amazing. You don't just get the ponytail, you get some stuff to go with it. Comes in a little hairnet. So Seikea hair is Seikea hair is a ponytail. Great language. Okay, let's get that off there. Okay. Seikea hair is a ponytail. I can't right now. Okay, so we have the ponytail. I am shocked. Like, what? That is crazy. It totally matches. Okay, so I was so worried because there was so many. There was like dark brown, there was like the almost black, and this one said darkest brown tend to red. So if you have a little bit of reddish hair, this one will work. There's other brands that I swear are pretty much like the same thing, or pretty much the same manufacturer in whatever country it comes from, but those like say tend to black or whatever. Those were actually a little cheaper. This one was $14.99, but the other ones have the same good reviews. So here we go. Here's the little strip that has Velcro. It comes with this little clip, and then this wraps around the ponytail and it velcros to that, and then you wrap this side piece around the base of the ponytail to hide the Velcro. Get the kinks out with my straightener and make it as straight as I can. And don't ask what the straightener is because it is just a crappy one from, I mean like semi-crappy, but it's from Ross. I don't even know the name brand of it. It was probably like 20 bucks. I never straighten my hair, so I really don't need a good one. When I used to straighten my hair a lot, I used the C-H-I straightener. So I don't know if I said this already, we're gonna be doing 3 different hairstyles because I want to see if this ponytail is gonna work for just a ponytail or other different hairstyles that most extensions can be used as. I'm going to be doing a half up, half down like Ariana hairdo, but if you see, this ends here and my other hair ends here because my hair is layered, so I'm hoping that this ponytail will give that nice full like look. I'm going to be using some Got to Be Glued freeze spray to get this nice and snatched. So I'm going to start by sectioning my hair. I don't know if I got it straight, but it feels like I did. Yeah, pretty straight. Just going from the top of the ear up, not too far back. I'm going to be using their ponytail holder. putting it in for 2 seconds so I can get the rest of my hair. So I just put that up really quick, put it in a scrunchie so I can work with this and get this out of the way so I'm not pulling those little hairs, and that'll be a lot less frustrating when you're trying to do this hair up here. Because the worst is when you pull like a couple hairs and you're like over it by that time. Using a comb, just get the flyaways. I cannot find the proper brush. I had a really good like boar bristle brush, but I just spent like 30 minutes trying to find it. I don't know where it is. Sorry, but this is gonna work for now. Ooh, I like this. I got this for another video. We're doing a wig haul video. I have a special guest that is gonna come show us how to properly do wigs. I have a couple guests lined up, you guys. Like, quarantine ruined my guest lineup. Like, you all know who some of these people are that are about to come on, and I'm like gagging because like kind of big deal. I'm very excited to have these people on my channel. Hopefully they'll still do it. Okay, so anyways, they got to be glued. Okay, that worked pretty darn good. So yes, see, it's already like long, but like I want it 28 inches long. Grab our ponytail. We're gonna take this clip and put it into the base of the ponytail. Flip, wrap one side around, and then we have this little strip like I had showed, and then the Velcro is on here, and then we're just gonna wrap it, wrapping this under, and then the Velcro part goes right there. That looks cute so far. Okay, so I'm just taking the little tail end of it, and I am bobby pinning that down. You guys can use however many bobby pins you feel you need. Yeah! Okay, so it works for the one hairstyle I want to do. Oh, this makes life so much easier. And it is sturdy. Okay. Oh, I feel like Ariana. I feel like I need to do a music video just for this hair. Okay. Okay, that was hairstyle 1. Absolutely love that. I'm kind of living for that. Number 2, we're going to be doing a low pony. Let's see if we can do like a side swept thing. So out of my comfort zone. I never do my hair flat in any kind of way. And it's probably going to be the same amount of hair as I have, but hopefully a little longer, because I don't know how many inches my hair is. Grab the little side piece. Maybe I can show you guys backwards and do this without looking in the mirror. So I made the low pony. Bobby pin holding that in place, the little tail end of that. So I have inches upon inches. It is literally, I can't even get it all in. It is down to my bolte. Excuse my outfit, but it's literally almost to the bottom of my shorts. Okay, and the moment we've all been waiting for is the high ponytail. So this will be the real test to see if you can see all this hair like stop short and show under whatever on the side of the ponytail. I'm loving it so far. I think it's pretty awesome. It does get a little tangly, but for $14.99, I'm not mad at it because I didn't know if my hair could even do the clip-on ponytails, at all because of how thick and long it was. That Got To Be hairspray actually smells really good. It's not too strong. It just has like a nice scent. So that is really awesome. I was afraid it was gonna smell really disgusting. Like Bumble and Bumble, I hate the way that smells. I don't know why. Some people really love that, but I hate it. It ends here. It's pretty long, but just not the fabulousness I want. So let's try a couple little baby hairs. I like this stuff. No wonder people use it to snatch their wigs. Okay, ponytail time. I really like the hair tie that they gave me with this. It really holds my hair. And get the Velcro. You can kind of feel the little fabric piece in it, but you cannot see it whatsoever. But it gives that ponytail the like nice volume it needs. I was so worried that you were gonna be able to see like a fat chunk of my hair and then like the little itty bitty ponytail that finishes, but wow. This is awesome. I'm gonna have this in like every video from now on. I'm just gonna be like, I don't feel like doing my hair or washing my hair. Ponytail time! It is super quick. It's easy to cover this. It feels really sturdy as it all falls. Fail. Maybe I should actually put a bobby pin on the great product review, Crystal. Maybe I should actually put a pin on this. Let me put it back on and finish the video. So now we're all attached again. So I love this. It's not like I'm going to the club right now. I'm whipping my hair back and forth, so I don't need it really secure. But if I was to go out and actually drop it like it's hot and flip my hair, I'll put a couple more bobby pins and it'll stay. I think it looks really good. I'm excited about it. And another little added tip, if you have like little uneven spots, take your eyebrow powder and fill in the areas that may be balding or you don't like. So now it's just a little more even. Final thoughts on this ponytail. It does get a little tangled, but that's just kind of what happens with synthetic hair. I'm not too worried about it. It matched my hair extremely well. I was not expecting it to literally be the exact shade I needed. I'm shocked on that one, and all the reviews pretty much said the same thing, that they were shocked at how good it matched their hair. I will put a link for this one and the other brand I saw, which that one comes in 30 inches, and I'm pretty sure it's made in the same factory somewhere. They just stick their little name on it because that's usually how Amazon goes, you know. I will link both of those ponytails below and you can decide for yourself if you want 16 inches or if you want 30 inches or 28 inches of hair. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, helps my algorithm, helps me out a lot. Leave me a comment, I love to hear from you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys keep me entertained with what you guys have to say. And if you haven't already, subscribe and I will see you on the next. Bye!